Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do the match cut text effect on CapCut mobile. So first, you just need to find the keyword on your browser, on your search engine, and then just find any article consisting of that keyword. For example, in here, I'm using the keyword CapCut, and you can just save it or screenshot it, and here you can just crop it like this to be the same size. I've already cropped each of the screenshot, and after that you can open the first screenshot into CapCut, add it in the main track, and here add a black dot to the canvas. So I'm going to add a black dot in here and then put it in the middle. Okay, make sure it's in the middle like this, and then you can just click on the article and then just zoom it in and adjust that the keyword is in the middle, just like this. Okay, now delete the dot. You can just click on delete and add the rest of the screenshot as overlays. So I'm going to just put it in here. For example, you can click on add overlay and then find another screenshot. You can add as many as you like. Okay, so don't forget to adjust the length and also the time the screenshot start. You can put it like this. Okay, I'm going to go this. So adjust it like this so that there are interval in between the screenshot. Okay, after you put it each of the screenshot like this, you can now click on the first overlay in here and the first screenshot, and then here adjust the size, and also you can go to opacity this one, lower the opacity and adjust the word, the same word with the one in the middle. So find it, you can just zoom it in like this and make sure it align just like this. And after it's aligned, you can adjust the opacity again and do this for the whole overlay. Okay, after you adjust all of the positions to match, you can now just go to the first overlay and put it or move it into the main track. So you'll see the main track option. You can do this for all of the overlays. So move it to the main track. Just repeat the step for all of the overlay. And after all the overlay move into the main track, you can just adjust the duration of each screenshot. So I'm going to set it into 0.6 seconds. You can just do it like this, just do split or trim it into the durations that you want. So in my case, I adjusting it into 0.6 for all of the overlay, all of the screenshot. Okay, so after it's done, you can add an overlay to highlight the word. You can just click on add overlay and then find the color of the overlay that you want. So I'm going to go with go background, and here I'm going to find the color. So let's see, I'm going to add this yellow color, you can just click on add. Now adjust the duration and also the size, just like this, and you can go to mask, and here I'm going to go with this rectangle options, and now you can adjust its size to match with the word. I'm going to adjust the opacity first. Okay, like this. I'm going to go with 70, go to mask again to adjust the size. Okay, like this. And now this will be the match cut text effect result. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. Bye.